Hello, good evening students. Let us see what problem student that is asked by my student. The If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel student. Okay. So they are saying that is Henry constant in kilobar for four gases alpha, beta, gamma and delta in water at 298 Kelvin is given below. And what is their student? KH value they have given. Alpha is 50, beta is 2, gamma is this one and delta is this one. Density of water is also given 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube at 298 Kelvin. This table implies that what this table is, alpha has the highest solubility in water at given temperature. Okay, alpha. So if you calculate KH is equal to 50. So we know student P is equal to what? KHX. So they are saying that is higher solubility. Higher solubility means mole fraction should be more. Higher solubility means mole fraction should be more. When it will more student, X is equal to, if you are calculating P upon KH. So if KH, you see student, KH is more, in this case KH is highest. So KH is highest means that is the value will be least. X is least. So X is least means that is least soluble. That is least soluble. Which is least soluble student? A is least soluble. So this cannot be our answer. Then they are giving the highest solubility, that is wrong. Solubility of gamma at 308 Kelvin is lower than that of 298 Kelvin. So higher the temperature, lower the solubility. Okay, because solubility is exothermic process. So it is high temperature, so lower solubility of gamma at 308 Kelvin is lower than at 298 Kelvin. This is the correct student. Okay, correct. Because if you talk about that is solubility of gamma at 398 Kelvin is lower than at 290, that is correct only student. The pressure of 55.5 molar solution of gamma is 1 bar. Okay, so how you can calculate? Okay, let us see student, for the option number C, we are going to calculate for option number C. So how you will be able to calculate option number C student? Option number C. Okay, option number C, if you are talking, is equal to P is equal to KHX, right? So pressure of 55.5 molar solution of gamma is 1 bar. Okay, so here they are saying 1 bar, and that is gas is gamma. So KH for gamma is 2 into 10 power minus 5. 2 into 10 power minus 5. X value they are saying student, X value, that is how much is there student? X 55.5. It means 55.5 upon, that is total mole 55.5 plus mole of water, that is 55.5. So how much it is? Consider it is 1 student, already we have to match. So this is coming 2 into 10 power minus 5, and this multiply by 55.5 divided by what will come student? 111. So 5 2 are 10. So it is coming 1 into 10 power minus 5. It is not 1 bar. So this is the wrong. This option is what student? This is the wrong. Now option number D. Let us take up the option number D. What the option number D is saying student? The pressure of 55.5 molar of delta is 250 bar. Okay. So means P is equal to KHX for delta 1.5. KH value is 0.5. X value, how to calculate X value student? That is mole is given, molar 55.5. 55.5 divided by how much student? 55.5 plus 55.5. So it will come student 0.5 into 1 by 2. So it will take student 0.5, because here it is coming, okay, wait student, 55.5, it is coming 111. So 1 by 2 only. So 0.5 upon 2. So 0.22 is 4. Okay, 2 2 is 4 and 2 2 जा 4 and 2 5 जा 10, 0.25. So 0.25 bar is coming, student. So this is absolutely wrong. So correct option is option number B, student. Correct option is option number B. Thank you so much for watching, friends. You can see here the solution also, student, what they are saying. The pressure of 55.5 molar solution is 250 bar. How? KHX. One option they are calculating, it is coming 2 into 10 power minus 5 and it is coming 249 bar. How? If you are solving, they are coming 249 point. Okay, it is 250 kilobar, student. The option, it is not 250 bar, kilobar. It is coming kilobar because here is they are saying na what is that is 250 bar, right? The pressure of 0.5 molar solution, so it is coming kilobar. If you are multiplying by 100, so it will coming 250 bar. So this is fourth is correct, student. This is the correct only. This is correct. Okay, keep in mind, student, we got the 250.25 now. If you multiply by 100, you will get that is 1000. Okay, so it will give that is 250, student. That is correct only. So that is option number 2 is 250 bar is correct, student. This is not correct. So how we got 250 bar? That is correct. On increasing the temperature, solubility of gas decreases. And what they are giving, option number second, you see here is on the solubility, option number, solubility of gamma at 308 Kelvin is lower than at 298. That is B is also correct, student. B is also correct. Okay. On increasing solubility of gas decreases, that is correct. KH decreases, solubility increases, lowest KH is for gamma. So our correct option is B and D, student. Correct option is B and D. Thank you so much for watching, friends.